So I'm changing out the tensioner and pulleys on the 335i. Got the tensioner out. It was a Torx 50. Getting this next pulley out, Torx 45. Then the last one right there. So I got the tensioner and first pulley right here out without having to remove this. That last one you have to loosen it so you could pull it up a little bit so you could get some clearance. It took me a while. Couldn't get my breaker bar in, so I put this on the end to loosen it. It's a bit. So these are the old ones. You can see I use this instead of that BMW tool. You can see where the latch is on whenever you loosen the tension. Is that one? The other one off on the side. Didn't really see any bad stuff on the serpentine belt, but it was squeaking. And then the Continental belt. This is a Euro. New pulleys, new tensioner, new bolts. That's all I have to say. There it is. Comes with the tool. Covers. Still squeaks. Putting the new one on. Then gotta get the other two and then the belt. So I just got the tensioner in, tying them all down. Now it's starting to snow. Time to put the belt on and see if it squeaks. Got the belt on. At first it didn't fit. They sent me the wrong belt, but turns out that this model year of the E90 with the N55 has a different belt diagram than the N54 the year before. Let's see how it sounds. Looks Gucci.